good morning. Today I have an update with regards to two sectors and two companies. These two stocks are in relation to an order that was received for the power sector and an order that was received by a company for the railway sector. The small cap stock jumps 5% after receiving an order from L&T to supply boiler feed pumps for NTPC. So this is a company called KSB. It has got an order from Larsen and Toubro for boiler feed pumps that are required for the company called NTPC. So the KSB specializes in manufacturing and sale of pumps, valves, related services jumped up to 5% upon receiving an order from L&T to supply boiler feeds for NTPC's power plant projects. KSB engaged in manufacturing and sale of pumps, valves, and related services received the order with regards to power plant project at Gadarwara STPP stage 2 into 800 megawatt and Nabinagar STPP stage 2 3 into 800 megawatt. Order is considered prestigious for KSB, involves supply of 15 sets of main boiler feed pumps along with booster pumps, motors and accessories. The delivery of these pumps is scheduled between 20 to 28 months from the date of the contract award, with payments to be made in staggered installments based on milestone achievements as per the contract terms. Total order book includes about 1,282 crores as of December 31st December 24, and this has increased to 1,290 crores as of 31st March 2025. KSB is a leading German multinational specializing in the manufacture of pumps, valves, and related services with global headquarters in Frankfurt, Germany. We'll quickly go through some information of this company. KSB. Yeah. So this is the logo of the company. These are some of the pump sets that the company manufactures. This is another pump set. This is one of the pumps. This is a bigger size pump. We'll quickly go through the financials. The current price down by 1.3% today, 2% gain in the last 5 days, 1% gain in the last 1 month, and 7% return in the last 6 months. You can see we've been through the basics of the company. Pumps made for wastewater treatment, energy, agricultural, oil and gas sectors, as well as other sectors also. Multi-stage pumps, submersible pumps, high pressure pumps, and monoblock pumps, and some value-added products. 14,410 crore market cap, current price 828, high of 1,060, price to earnings ratio of 56. Book value 86, dividend yield 0.48%, return on capital employed is 23.8%, return on equity 17%, face value 2 rupees, company is debt free, good profit growth 22% CAGR over the last 5 years, healthy dividend payout of 28.6% in the last on an average. Stock is trading 9.68 times its book value. Then you can see the revenue has dropped in the last quarter, impacting the overall net profit as well. So sort of concern for the company, which will impact the sentiments of the shareholders and the public at large. So again, uh, not much of revenue growth in the last 1 year. Net profit slight growth. So slight growth in sales as well. Profit growth 20%, sales growth 12%, stock price growth minus 15%, return on equity 18%. So slight improvement in the reserves. We'll look at now Texmaco Rail Engineering. It's a railway Sector stock produces wagons, large steel structures, and hydro-mechanical systems were in focus in the day's trade upon receiving a new order from the Southwestern Railways. TRD is the short form of the company. The work assigned to TRD, which means traction distribution. This refers to upkeep and repair of the overhead electric wires that supply power to electric trains. These wires are crucial for ensuring trains run safely without interruptions. The job includes both routine maintenance and fixing any unexpected issues or breakdowns in the electricity supply system to avoid any delays in train operations. A railway system infrastructure and equipment manufacturer. Yeah, disclaimer, the article is extracted from internet. All investment opinions and recommendations are of the experts, broking houses and rating agencies. No personal advice offered. Stock markets investments carry inherent risk of financial loss. Please exercise your judgment and conduct proper due diligence. The author bears no responsibility for any losses resulting from the information made based on this article. It is strongly recommended to consult a qualified financial advisor broker before making any investment decisions. We look at the details of Texmaco. Okay, there we go. This is the logo of the company. Current price. The last 1 month it has made about 9% return. Uh, Okay, we've been through this. Let us go through it once again. It's an engineering infrastructure company of advanced group involved in business of manufacturing rolling stock, hydro mechanical equipment, steel castings, and construction of rail, EPC bridges, and other steel structures. 7,050 crore cap, 176 price, high of 297, price to earnings ratio of 29, which is slightly high. Book value 70, company is trading at 2.5 times its book value. Dividend yield is 0.27%, return on equity is 9.34%, return on capital employed is 14%, face value 1 rupee. The company is expected to give good quarter results, 26.6% CAGR profit growth in the last 5 years. Company has shown low return on equity of 6.5% in the last 3 years. Promoter holding has decreased over the last 3 years by 10%. You can see consistent revenue achieved, no but apart from the 25% growth in the first quarter of FY25. Thereafter, the profit has gone down. Net profit has dipped by half, almost half in the last quarter. Overall, year-to-year sales, you can see about a 40% growth. Sorry, yeah, about 40% growth in the net revenue. By revenue, and the net profit has more than doubled. So, which is a good sign. The company is doing well. Profit growth of 122%, sales growth of 46%, stock price negative 31%, return on equity 9%, the best in the last 5 years. Stock price has gone negative because of the stock market correction. Reserves have grown by 260 crores, which is a good sign. Overall borrowings have increased, so something that the company would need to keep track of. So friends, thank you for watching the video. We'll connect with another video very soon. Please share this with your video with your friends, family, and associates so that they could benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely week, and we'll connect with you shortly.